So the phenomenon continues, where a Class 2 girl is the fastest girl at champs. This time, it's Theianna-Lee Terrelonge, the first-year Class 2 Edwin Allen Sprinters 11.22, was faster than the Class 1 winning time of 11.34. And she will no doubt emerge from these championships as one of, if not, the leading star. And we know it sounds cliche, but we just hope and pray that Theianna-Lee Terrelonge stays healthy and focused and goes on to fulfill her massive potential. And we further hope she does not overstay her time at champs and gets overworked and burned out. Although we've heard those words so many times before, they still remain relevant and will remain relevant as long as we continue to produce these athletic gems. Another thing that remains true is that Coach Michael Dyke and his staff at Edwin Allen continue to bring these young stars through the classes like no other school. Kevona Davis, Tia and Tina Clayton, Serena Cole, no Theianna-Lee Terrelonge. Now when it comes to matriculation, Michael Dyke is the one.